I'm Executive Director Kevin Robertson, and this is the KDA Video Minute for Friday, February 24th. Today is the House of Origin deadline in the Kansas legislature, which means all House bills have to be passed by the House and Senate bills have to be out of the Senate in order for them to stay alive throughout the rest of this legislative session. Our bill, our 2012 Comprehensive Oral Health Initiative, House Bill 2631, was passed by the House on final action yesterday by a vote of 120 to 3. That bill has 4 provisions. It has the ECP 3 provisions in it, as well as a special volunteer dental license for dentists that are doing charitable work after they retire. It allows extended immunity for dentists doing charity work in their dental practice, as well as a provision that would ask the Kansas Board of Regents to look at additional dental seats and tie those back to underserved areas. So that'll go over to the Senate committee, or the Senate now, where it'll be the Senate Committee on Public Health and Welfare, and we'll continue to work that bill this legislative session. As far as a bill on registered dental practitioners, non-dentist providers at mid-levels, whatever you want to refer to that as, it does not appear at this point that that will move out of the legislature. But again, we don't know what the strategies are of those people that are pushing that, so we'll continue to monitor that this legislative session. Just last week, we were in the middle of our 11th KMOM event, which occurred in Kansas City. We saw 2,144 patients with total care of a little bit over $1.5 million. During our event on Friday afternoon, the governor came by the clinic and helped us celebrate our 20,000th patient that we've seen here in Kansas as part of KMOM. So we're all very excited about that. The governor had some very kind words to say. We had fantastic media coverage during the course of the KMOM. So we're all exhausted, and those of you that participated last week and through the weekend, thank you for all your help in making our 11th KMOM a successful one. Next year in 2013, we'll be in Wichita, and once we firm up those dates, we'll get those to you. Now that our Kansas Mission and Mercy project is behind us here at the office, we can turn our attention to a couple upcoming events. April 12th and 13th is the UMKC Midwest Dental Conference, and on Friday, April 13th, will be our Real World Transition Brunch, in addition to our Board of Delegates meeting. Then in June 5th through the 7th, down in Wichita at the Hotel at Old Town, will be our KDA annual meeting. So we hope that you will mark out those days on your calendar. We hope to see you there. And with that, I'll wrap up a relatively short video minute. Thank you.